Yes, you guessed it. I'm getting a tattoo here in Mindelo. One more for my collection. Well, today I'm going to go get my anchor tattoo. That's right, man. Since I crossed the Atlantic as a sailor, I can get an anchor tattoo. According to this, a single anchor says the sailor has crossed the Atlantic Ocean. Someone gave me this pendant and I decided this would be my permanent Atlantic crossing symbol. So, yeah, always wanted to get a tattoo here in Cape Verde. I'm gonna try out this guy named Gringo, he's really good. And to do the anchor tattoo. Across the Atlantic almost 2 years ago. Should have done it a while back, but finally decided to do it today. So, check out the forearm. It's not gonna be like that anymore. I'd known Gringo for some time. He had tattooed Lily and I had been impressed. Plus, I had run into him recently and he told me about his new studio he moved into nearby.
Okay.
I bumped into him again, so I considered that a sign from the ocean gods. Gotta do it.
Fazer tanto que vou fazer
10 anos.
10 anos.
Outubro fazer 10 anos.
10 anos.
Tipo, 10 anos desde que a primeira vez que começamos. Mas assim, oficial e presa tem 5 anos.
You speak English, right?
A little bit.
A little bit, yeah, you do.
A little bit.
So 10 years you've been doing this for 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah.
It's not enough. I need more.
Always learn every day. Every day you.
I still a child in the tattoo world.
Yeah. Yeah, but you're good.
I hope.
Where did you learn? Onde vou aprender?
First time was in United States of America. I was in vacation. So I met a guy who was a tattoo artist.
Yeah.
And he showed me I buy 2 machines only for fun. And when I start to do tattoos for fun with my friends. And now here I am, my job full time.
And where did you learn to draw? Because you know you draw nicely. You have a nice.
Since I'm very young, I like to draw.
Yeah.
And I go to school. I did design, graphic design. So
so you did go to graphic design
university.
school.
Yeah. So and the graphic design helped me a lot in the world of tattoo. You know. So
Yeah.
that's it, man.
Okay, so you went to design school. You can tell your style is sophisticated.
It helped me a lot.
Yeah.
That's why I work a lot with Photoshop, with Illustrator, because it was software I use every day in my school. You know.
Cool.
Então, agora te explico qual é o concreto.
Go. Here comes the pain.
If you're gonna get a tattoo, consider doing it when you're older and for a good reason. Then you won't have so much time to regret it. And if you haven't gotten a tattoo before and wonder if it hurts, yes it does. And this was not even in a very sensitive spot to do it. But it was over in about an hour. And I love it.
Okay, that was pretty cool. I got my tattoo done. My Gringo tattoo. What? There it is. It's hard to see. There. Yeah. My anchor tattoo. Now I'm a proper sailor. I got a real tattoo. Not just a tattoo for a show. My tattoo has significance. I cross the Atlantic, I get an anchor.
I had something else to get done at Tinene's shop. The locking key for my steering. Tinene here made me a custom new one. And look how nice it turned out. Now it's time to celebrate. While some are sailing away, we're getting into the New Year's celebrations. Tonight is only the 28th of December, and the city of Mindelo is partying for 4 days. So hang on. That was just the first night with Cape Verdean superstar LG Beatskiller. I missed the second night in order to recover, but I came back the third night to watch local stars Ari Beats. Wendy needed more time to recover, and I was drawn back to the music, which I heard back on Galopan. So I came back, and I bumped into friends, as one always does here. Finally, it's New Year's Eve, and bands are gearing up during the sound check. While Wendy and I went shopping for a good look for her. We got a preview of the music to come, but Wendy was a little preoccupied.
New Year's celebration here in Rua Lisboa. It's going to start tonight at midnight. It's been going on for 3 nights here. And tonight's the last night. So one more year here, one more New Year's.
As you can hear, it's gonna be loud. And out in the water and in your boat, the music draws you in. For me, it's hard to resist, almost impossible. And for others, well, see ya. welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Voyage, a real living adventure series. It's not fake, baby.